What's up, guys? This is my 2019 Silverado. I was just trying to show you a muffler delete I did. Sounds alright. So the video in the beginning that you heard, that's a cold start. I have it warmed up now, but this is the piece that you delete. So it's just a regular pipe with a bend in it. I got it off of Summit Racing. Now, it sounds okay. I'm glad I didn't take it to a shop because I'm not super happy with the sound, but it is what it is. I paid 120 bucks or less than that for the piece of pipe. Did it myself. And right here, some guys say on the forums, this guy right there, this is a flapper inside the exhaust. Not sure exactly what it's for. Some people cut it out. I didn't cut it out because I don't have any extra 3-inch pipe to cut it out, and you need an extra clamp. When you buy these kits online, they don't measure all the way back here past this flapper, so you have to cut it after this flapper and then right after the end of the exhaust. Now I'll let you hear it while it's warmed up and started. So that's it, warmed up, started, at temperature. Sounds good. Little bit of a rumble. It's not too bad. This is the muffler. So I'll show you where you have to cut. At least on mine, you have to cut right at the weld. This is the front of the muffler, so this will be the engine up here. So you have to cut at that weld, exactly at that weld, and then 2 3/4 inches back from this weld. This is the back side. So, I mean, obviously you see it's crooked. Cut it with the Sawzall. Only thing I have a really complaint of, I'm not disappointed about the sound. Like I said, I only paid 100 bucks or so for it, did it myself. But there's 2 leaks, one on each side, and I have the clamps clamped down all the way. So it is what it is, not a big deal. Gives you that little bit of a rumble you want. I haven't really noticed any gas mileage issues with it. Other than that, pretty simple. Took about 30 minutes or so. 2 guys, 1 guy holding the muffler. So that's it, fellas. Appreciate it.